But the biggest mistake that salespeople make is this. What if I told you the secret to doubling your sales isn't about closing deals, it's about starting them? Did you know that 90% of salespeople fail not because they can't sell, but because they don't know how to find the right people to sell to? Now, in this video, I'll show you how to master sales prospecting so you can fill your pipeline with high quality leads and prospects and stop wasting your time on buyers that aren't going to buy. So let's dive in. Prospecting is the foundation of every sale, and you should be prospecting every single day. Think of it like fishing. If you're casting your line in a puddle, it doesn't matter how good the bait is, you're not going to catch anything. The average salesperson spends less than 30% of their daily time on selling. The rest of the time is on busy work and chasing leads that will never buy. Now, with the right strategy, you can flip this. And I'm going to break this down for you in 3 key points: targeting, outreach, and follow up. If you master these, you'll never run out of leads or prospects. First up is targeting. Now, I don't know where you're getting your leads from, whether you're cultivating your own leads and prospects, which is a good idea whether you're fed leads or not, or whether your marketing department is feeding you leads. Now, if it's coming from the marketing department, don't automatically assume that these leads and prospects have been qualified. They have not. So keep that in mind when you get those lists of prospects to call. You don't know if they're buyers. But the biggest mistake that salespeople make is this: they go after everyone. You see, you don't need 1,000 leads. You need about 25 great ones. For example, if you're selling software for small business solutions, why are you wasting your time trying to sell to bigger fish? They won't buy. And yet I see this time and time again. Here's a pro tip. Use tools like LinkedIn Navigator or Zoom Info to filter prospects by job title, by company size, and even recent activities. Look for the ones that just got funding. Spend some time, maybe 20 minutes a day, building a list of 50 hyper-targeted prospects. Now, if you do this, you're already ahead of 80% of your competition. Don't wait to be fed fish. Go find your own fish. Number 2, outreach. Cold emails and cold calls still work if you know how to do them. And keep this in mind. The goal of a cold call or a cold email isn't to sell. It's to start a conversation. So I get this question a lot. Why don't I sell on the first cold call, Christine? Because you don't know if that prospect that you have on the phone is a buyer. You don't know if they're a good fit for your product or service. Think of it this way: why waste your time and their time with a sales presentation if you don't even know if there's a need or not? You don't even know if they're a good fit for your product or service. That very first call and email is to start a conversation only. So at this point, you're only fishing. You're not trying to catch the fish yet. Number 3 is the follow-up. Here's a stat that'll blow your mind. 80% of sales requires at least 5 follow-ups, but 44% of salespeople give up after the first follow-up. They give up. Don't be that person. Prospects are busy. Don't expect them to fit in your timeline. Space out your follow-ups. Try day 1, day 3, day 7, day 10. Mix it up with either an email, a call, or a quick LinkedIn message. And here's a pro tip. If you have them on the phone, never leave that phone call without setting the next step in the sales process so that you're not following up constantly and chasing them to set an appointment. While you've got them on the phone, set up the next step. The follow up you'll send is just an email reminder of the upcoming meeting on the day that the meeting is to take place. So there you have it, targeting, outreach, and follow up. Master these, and you will turn that constant grind and chase into gold. So if you made it this far and you want a checklist, click below in the description area under freebies, and you can download my free prospecting checklist. And don't forget to hit that like button so YouTube knows that you like this video. And I'm sure we haven't solved all your problems yet. So stay with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay savvy.